An unknown lift at I keep forgetting the places. Yeah.
Here it is.
What do these buttons do?
I've got nothing. They're lights, except they don't actually function.
Yeah. Lift number 1, maximum load 630 kilos, 8 persons. We'll do a cab view.
Hydraulic?
Yeah, it's hydro too. Is the basement unlocked?
No.
Okay.
See, it's like in between the platform and lift. I mean, more towards lift. People.
Yeah, what's the chance of getting caught in the circle exit?
I don't know. I haven't been caught.
Okay.
Nice, it's got a light there that's completely useless. Go one more trip.
Yeah.
This one's actually somewhat interesting. So the thing about this one, nobody knows who installed it.
No.
Hell, I don't even know when it was installed.
No. Yeah, so I'm going to remain this one anonymous.
Door sounds like Gen 2.
Yeah.
It's just got a lantern out here as well.
Yeah.
I think an indicator. Door seemingly closes when you push the button.
Yeah. Door closed when push button. I like that.
It's not actually that bad, all things considered. It's just mysterious.
And there we go.